Like that it is. Why? See,
Every member of the house
no,
should be on
I'm
the
just
street.
saying everybody.
This one they will
One
provide.
second, you're talking
Underpass, if you need, they will provide.
underpass. You want us to go underground?
No. To cross that line. Underpass.
But why we should live under such conditions? Actually, no. I really don't understand what's going on. Okay? We all know this matter is sub judice. It's in the court. And until the court takes a decision, there is nothing that we can do. We have to wait for the court's order. But it looks like that there is no respect for law. Because while the matter is sub judice, while the matter is in the court, all these things are happening. Now you can see here a big mound of mud being dumped. How can you do that? Has the court given the go-ahead signal? Not yet. So without the court giving you the go-ahead signal, how can you start the work for laying the second track? And another important issue that I would like to bring to the notice of the government. I would like to ask the government, who are these who are living in these houses? Are they people or are they animals? And if they are people, shouldn't they be respected? Would all those in the government come and live in these houses with the trains moving up and down, with the whistles blowing throughout the night, keeping people alive? We all know what sound pollution can cause to health. We know that it is not just sound pollution, it is also coal dust pollution. We are breathing in coal dust. Day in, day out, we are breathing in coal dust. A little boy from Vasco died of cancer due to coal dust pollution. The other day, here's Fatima. She had bought fish from the market, and the lady was cleaning the fish. When she opened up the gill, there was a thick layer of black dust, and that was coal. The same happens to our lungs, and that is why we'll be having all kinds of respiratory problems, and all kinds of other ailments and diseases. Does the government care for the people of the state? Does the government care for the people that has elected it to work on its behalf? I've never seen. Our government should take a stand against this next track, the second track. Our government knows better than any other how tiny our Goa is. I think if you compare Goa to Karnataka, Karnataka is about 62 times bigger than Goa. And Karnataka has so many ports, 9 ports. So all the infrastructure needed is available in Karnataka. The coal is to be transported to Karnataka. Please, I request the government, save Goa, let the coal land in Karnataka at one of its ports.
Madam, we are looking that the agitations are going from last several years. So what will be the solution? Because they are continuing with the work and they are landlocking these people. So what will be the solution or what are you demanding?
I would like to ask the government that, because the government is supreme, the government is powerful. What can people do? And if we take the law into our hands, we'll have the police coming down upon us. And we don't want to create such such situations in our state. We want the government to have a dialogue. And for this purpose, I had brought Dr. Pramod Sawant on the track. And he looked shocked to see the route of the track. He really looked shocked. I brought the Environment Minister, Nilesh Cabral. He said, "Oh my God!" And when we asked him, "Sir, what is your say on what you have seen?" He said, "Oh no, we need to sit down. We need more time to talk. I'll talk to you again. We'll fix a meeting." And he never came.
What is the option if the property is landlocked totally from all sides?
There's no
access.
option.
How one will move in future?
Do you know how troublesome it is for the seniors to go up these 2 steps and walk on the gravel? You're not steady. You can fall. So many people have fallen down, broken their knees, broken their legs.
So how one should move now if this area is totally landlocked?
How one should move? I think we should create a new, what should I say? A new, what?
Helipad.
Helicopter service.
Unless the government is ready to give. No.
Helicopter service.
But what about our houses? There'll be no homes for us to live. You have just seen the house with the cracks. Surely we cannot live in houses filled with cracks and wait for the walls to crumble upon us.
Yeah.
So where do we go? It's for the government to think and decide for the sake of the people that have voted it to power.
Yes.
Yesterday in the afternoon, we went to meet the collector and we spoke to the collector and we said, since the matter is sub judice, it is in the courts and the courts have to decide. Let us wait, because any time and every time a matter is in the court, we have to wait for the court to take its decision and proceed accordingly. But so why is the work being allowed on the tracks? She says, yes, I will speak to them, but you give me in writing. Why do we have to give in writing? And it was already given in writing to her. And she had done nothing. So what are the agencies of law doing to protect Goa? It looks like there is an invasion on Goa, an invasion to destroy Goa. Every side we go, it is the same story. And I request the government to please do something to stop the destruction of Goa. Goa is a tiny state, loved by the whole world. And the way we are treating Goa at the moment, very soon Goa will become a place where even the locals of the land will want to run away.
Yes, yesterday we had gone to see the collector, and Madam has just told you all what she has explained to us. Now I have got no exit to the way. So the government should provide for me something. Either the collector should see that I should have a way, either by anything, any transport, whatever she available. even she can keep a helicopter there for me to go on the road. Because I'm 75 now, and my husband just expired. We used to take him on the stretcher over the track. Rainy season, we used to put plastic over the body and take him over the track every time with a stretcher, because there's no exit at all. If I go backside, I fall in the sea. So please, I'm requesting the government to make some provision for me, as I have told.
I think our late Chief Minister, Sir Parrikar, he was a highly qualified man, a man who was very intelligent, and more importantly, he was a man who loved Goa. And in his words, he very definitely and very clearly stated that Goa cannot afford to have the second track. And as the Chief Minister, he stated, I will not allow the double track. For whose benefit is the double track being laid? I will not allow it. Goa is too small for the double track. I hope the present Chief Minister takes the stand of our late Chief Minister Sir Parrikar and does the needful and saves Goa. It's never too late to do the right thing.
Yeah.
मुझे घर हिंगा चाहा लागींच जे जाग्यार आमी उबी हाय हे घरा फाटल्यान मुगे घर आहा आनी हांव कंप्लिटली लँड लॉक्ड आसा. म्हाका एक रिक्षा हाडूं मेळना घरा कडेन. होच जागो रिक्षा हाडपाची. एक रिक्षा हाडूंक जाता, एक 2 व्हिलर येता, एम्ब्युलन्स येना, एक गार्बेज वॅन येना, एक गॅस सिलिंडर वॅन येना, एक फायर ब्रिगेड येना. पूण ही रिक्षा हाडटा तो रस्तो बंद केलो जाल्यार आमी हुंयच्यान वयतलीं दुयेंत जाल्यार. फाटल्यान दोयरो आहा, सायडीन सामकें लँड लॉक. मुगे घर आतां क्रॅक्सीन मोडों पावलां. एक वण्टीसान दुसरी वण्टीक गॅप ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 10 inches पावला ब्रॉड जमनीक. आनी तो दोनूय वॉल कॉलेप्स जाल्यार हांव म्हज्यान तें घर सारकें करपाक जायना. रिपेरींग करून आतां पूण हांव कितकोन मटेरियल हाडटलें तें घर सारकें करपाक. दोनूय रूम काडून रावपाक मटेरियल कितकोन हाडटा. एक रिक्षा वयता हे सायडीक, ती रिक्षा तो येना जाल्यार फाल्यां रेल्वे म्हणटा आमी बॅरिकेड घाताय. बॅरिकेड घाल्यार आमी कितको वयतलीं दोतोरागेर. दोतोर येवपाक जायना हिंगा. पावसा आमकां इतके त्रास जाताय, पावसा उदका लोट वयताय, तरी आसा आमी तेशी ते लोटांतल्यान चलोन वयताय. आनी आतां रेल्वेन तो बंद केलो जाल्यार आम केसो हाल जातले. आमी हुंयच्यान चलोन वयतलीं. आमी दर्या देगेत तेंको नाहाय, सगळे उदका लोट एश वयताय, दर्या वयताय, तेशी आमी वयताय चलोन. आनी ही रिक्षा हाडपा वाट तो ही बंद जाली, आमचे हाल कितें जातले. हे गव्हर्मेंटान चिंतपाचें आनी आमगे प्रॉब्लेम मातशें सॉल्व करपाचें, इतलें हांव मागोतां.
आमी ह्या घराक हे आदले घर पोर्चुगीज कदंबा एरा घराचे कंपाउंडा भितर आसा आनी भायर तेंच्यांनी आमी माती उडयला. आतां ही लँड लॉक जाली. एक दुसऱ्याची गजाल आसा, आयज हे काम पळय आसा हे पळय इलिगल चल्लेलें आसा. कित्याक हिंगा लँड एक्विजिशन जावना, भाडकाराचे या ओनराची एनओसी घेवंक ना, कांय नासतना एक काम चालू आसा. पंचायतीन स्टॉप वर्क नोटीसूय काडलेले आसा, फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडूय येयलेलो आसा, मामलादारूय येयलेलो आसा, कलेक्टरूय येयलेलो आसा. पण तोरी पासून हे बायपास करून, हे ऑथॉरिटीजा बायपास करून, ओव्हर रूल करून हे काम चालू जाल्लें आसा. सो आमी पयलींच्यान सांगता की हे डबल ट्रेकिंगाचें काम पयलींच्यान जे स्टार्ट जाल्लें तेन्नाच्यानूच इलिगल जाल्लें. आयज तेंच्यांनी जबरदस्ती लँड एक्विजिशन केलें थोड्या एरियांनी, पयशे डिपॉझिट केले, पण लँड ओनरांनी घेवंक ना. सो जेन्ना घेवंक ना तेन्ना काम तुमी स्टार्ट करपाक शकना. आनी हिंगा तरी एक्विजिशनूय जावना. पूण हें चल्लां कितें? हे सरकारान हे आयज इलिगली जर कोणाच्या भाटान जर काम करपाक शकता जाल्यार हे सगळे एन्क्रोचर्स ऑफ गोंयांत जे एन्क्रोचमेंट चालू जालेले आसा हे आयज आनी डबलान वाडटले. सगळे जाण एन्क्रोच करतले लोकांच्या भाटान आनी बांदतले घरां आनी बिल्डिंगां. पूण हें चल्लां कितें? हिंगा कायदो ना, कानून ना. सो हांव सरकाराक मागता की हें पळय चल्लां ती इलिगली बंद करचें आनी कायद्या भितर कितें आहा सगळे प्रोसिजर पास कायद्या भितर आहा कायदो पाडचो म्हणून सरकाराक हांव मागता.
लोकांक एक्सेस फाल्यां बंद जाल्यार लोकांची मागणी कितें आमची एक्सेस.
हय तेच म्हणटा हांव. आतां लोकांची सगळी एक्सेस तुमी बंद करतले, व्हायब्रेशनाक लागून घरां कोसळोन वयतले, कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करून लोकांची पुलमां काबार जातली, कोल पोल्युशनाक लागून आयज झाडां पेडां शेतां आयज पिड्यार जालेलीं आसा. सो आयज तुमी हे लोकांक कितें करपाक सोदता? आमकां सारकेंच काबार करपाक सोदता वो आमकां हावज अरेस्ट करून दवरपाक सोदता? सो हांव सरकाराक मागता की हे पयले आमचे जे हे आदलेचे वाट ह्यो एक्चुअली हे पयले लोकांचे मुखार हाडा, उलोवया, हे सगळे इश्यू पयले सॉल्व करा आनी मागीर कितें आहा तुमचें करा. पूण आमी मागता सरकाराक की हे पळय डबल ट्रेकिंगाचें काम पळय आसा हें ताबडतोब बंद जावचें. कित्याक हे स्टेटाच्या हिताक ना, हे फकत एक मनशाक लागून, एक मनशाची कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता कर्नाटका, एक मनशाक लागून जर आमी आख्खे गोंय काबार करपाक सोदता जाल्यार हो सरकार आनी कित्याक जाय तर म्हाका अशें दिसता.